So if you had the opportunity, one chance to build your dream home here in Abuja, will you build it in a location like this? Welcome to Hutu Exclusive right here in the city of Abuja. This estate is barely 5 minutes from the third road and about 20 minutes to the airport. It's less than 30 minutes to the city center. This estate also has beautiful golf courses. We have the smaller golf course right over there. It's a 9-hole, and we also have an 18-hole golf course at the end of the other side. Beautiful entrance gate right over there. That's gate 1. There's gate 2 right there. Security armed, 24/7 secured estate right here. The estate has beautiful sports arena. So the idea is you're not just buying land or buying a house, you're also buying into a premium lifestyle or premium living right here in Abuja. So basketball, football, badminton, lawn tennis, etc. We also have an Olympic-sized swimming pool right over there, right, for your relaxation and for your comfort. A beautiful clubhouse, like you can see. This is the clubhouse right here with a mini swimming pool right in the middle of it as well. So you can come relax after playing a game of golf over there. You come here, you relax and have a great swell time, right? And of course, beautiful internal roads right even before people begin to live in the estate. The beautiful roads and amenities are all intact, and on. This is phase 1, there's phase 2, there's phase 3, and now phase 5. Phase 5 starting at 8.25 million, and you can actually key in with a 4 months, 8 months payment plan. You're well on your way of owning something fantastic here, right? So if this looks like a place that you look towards building your dream home in, you want to call the numbers today. Let us lock you in before the prices go up and up. The phase 1 and 2 currently starts at about 22 million. Phase 3 starts at around 11 million, and then the phase 5 starts at 8.250 million. You want to call today? Let us lock you in. Enjoy a great day.